Hi everyone, this is Rich Girl from easymoneys.com. That's EASY-MONEYS.com. And today I want to challenge you to join me with Chris Record in the 90-day CBD challenge. Now, as you can see, due to the shaking, and I do apologize, I have a severe form of Parkinson's at a young age. So I really need this. Please go ahead and cash in on this green rush with us. It's the next $22 billion industry, and you can build your CBD empire. I am a non-drug person. You'd be surprised what I do for a living. I have a very high profile job. That's why my face isn't on this, for other reasons. But please, take the 3 steps. Watch, it's gone dark. Watch the video in its entirety, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 times. Take notes so you learn to know what you're going to say with people. Just ask them, have you ever heard of hemp oil? CBD oil? I help people earn money with CBD oil. And then just give them a card with your website or link. And what you can do is join free. And then what you will do at some point is go executive level, so you can get all in at the very beginning of this opportunity. It's going to be huge. Within the first 3 days, they haven't even launched yet, they've sold 10,000 K. Within the first week, 25K. First 3 weeks, over 100K, and it'll be 1 million by the month mark. So please get in on this. Don't delay. That's it for now. Please excuse my shake. In the description box below, you will find the links I'm speaking of, and it will all become clear. Don't miss out on this opportunity for 2019. Please, please, please believe me. It's going to be huge. Okay, guys, join the Green Rush. This is Rich Girl from easymoneys.com. That's EASY-MONEYS.com.